Put a hole right there so like when you're cooking it, it doesn't turn into a ball. Start cutting them. Dang. Some nice tomato cutting if I've ever seen. You wanna yo cut yo. Remember guys, when you have this, when it's like looking like this, all you gotta do is that actually worked. Yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah. This is your lettuce. Yeah. No. Alright, I think we're about ready to get started with the cooking, my man. What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright, man. Want some nice olive oil, not too much. Oh god. I mean, oh gosh. Cause you don't want to get like you don't want to die. You know what I'm saying?
You put more.
No, that's fine. That's like way too much.
Barely any.
That's hella greasy. I mean, hecka greasy. You add the patty. You know what I'm saying? Plop that on there, man. Yeah. So you're gonna let it sit right there for about 5 minutes. As you're waiting for that to cook, you're gonna put it to like maybe 3 minutes on your toaster. And then start cooking away, man. Look at that, my man. Ooh, get that nice flip action going. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Now, if ain't that the best cooking that you ever seen in your life? Next is just wait for like 5 minutes.
So what happened was, see, I'm gonna burn it. We can still use those. See you guys.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna move it to here. What you want to do next is just assemble. A real Krabby Patty? Yeah. Let me get a bite in this first.
Feeling it now, Mr. Krabs.
You feeling it? Damn. Now I gotta say, now this burger right here that I just ate, tastes like shit.
Bite it. You feel like,
I think this is a success. This tastes like high cholesterol and a lot of grease, but it's overall very healthy. Ain't that right, man? Thank you guys so much for watching. You're welcome, man. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
Yeah.